Hello beautiful people. Losing extra fat remains at the forefront of the wish lists for most people. We all understand that we are extremely prejudicial to carry excess pounds in our bodies. Being overweight brings with it a high degree of risk, including chronic diseases. Is your overweight body making you a slave? Are you one of those trying to shed a few extra pounds without some trend diet, fitness plans, exercise gimmicks? Have you done everything previously but nothing came off? If so, then okay. But now, what if you were given a chance to reach your dream body, without all the gimmicks, what would you do? That sounds great, right? Yes, that may be the dream of many people.
Meticore review. Does the dietary supplement work? Watch this review before you buy Meticore. I've been seeing a lot of reviews of Meticore, but many of them are pretty thin and don't really get into the heart of the matter. There's too many fake diet pills on the market these days, and I wanted to take the time to do a real analysis of Meticore. Does it work? Is it real, or a scam? What is Meticore? Meticore is a brand new, all-natural weight loss supplement designed to be taken in the morning. It's intended to boost your metabolism through raising your body temperature. Now, this was an entirely new concept to me. Raising body temperature to lose weight? But it turns out there's science that backs this idea. I read two studies, Study 1 and Study 2. These studies showed that there was a link between obese people having lower body temperatures, and higher body temperatures having a higher metabolic rate. Basically, the science of this is fairly new, but it's real. So already I was considering that Meticore might really be what I was looking for. But I decided to dig a step further, and look into some of the ingredients of the supplement. Meticore ingredients. Brown seaweed extract, fucoxanthin. Fucoxanthin is linked directly to anti-obesity effects, improved insulin resistance, and decreased blood glucose levels. African mango, Ervingia gabonensis. Ervingia gabonensis has been studied intensively, and is widely regarded as a weight loss nutrient that also decreases cholesterol. Moringa oleifera. This plant might be magic. I was really shocked at all the studies that have been run on it. It's known to be an antioxidant, protect your liver, kidneys, heart, and lungs, and promote anti-diabetic activities in your body. Ginger is known to be anti-inflammatory and even anti-hypertensive, and helps eliminate excess gas which causes bloating in your body. These ingredients had me excited to try Meticore, and it's important to note that these are all natural. Which means that Meticore is 100% safe for anyone not allergic to these to try, and it's even vegetarian. How do you take Meticore? Meticore is meant to be taken every morning before breakfast. It's called the morning metabolism trigger. So the most important part of taking Meticore is being able to take it consistently. They recommend on their website that you take it for 90 days straight in order to make sure you see quality results and can keep them. If you're not able or willing to take a pill every morning, this might not be for you, but I have to say it's much easier and low effort than, say, doing high-intensity exercise every day, or trying out a difficult and dangerous new diet. Should I buy Meticore? The science is sound, and the ingredients are all natural, and it's also not even expensive. You can get a 30-day supply for only $59, which is less than $2 a day to lose weight. Furthermore, if you get a larger supply, they reward you with a discount until you can get it as cheap as $39 a bottle, and save nearly $2,000. And don't even get me started on the value of having better health and lower weight. It also gets better, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee with this. That's right, you can try it for 60 days and refund it at any time in that period if you're not seeing results. As long as you can stick with it for the recommended amount of time, 90 days, and take it every morning, you really should see great results with this. Meticore review. In conclusion, what else can we say? This is a quality program and it seems to be ahead of the curve on the science. People are just now discovering the link between body temperature and metabolism, but it won't be long before more pills and programs try to use this factor to help cause weight loss. And while the current discount lasts, enjoy, and happy weight loss! Don't forget to subscribe, if you benefit from this video. Click the link in the description below to take a look at the current best weight loss program. Hope you benefited from this video. And thank you for watching.